еще со школы, постоянно на приколе. Я прикольно одевался и прикольно зажигал. На приколе я учился, на приколе я влюбился, на приколе я работал, на приколе отдыхал. На футболе, на приколе, на танцполе, на приколе, на подоле, на приколе. Часто я любил гулять, все в округе усмехались, зная, что я улыбаюсь постоянно, потому что на приколе я живу. Потому что я Бэтмен, воу-воу. Потому что я Бэтмен, yeah-yeah. Потому что я Бэтмен, воу-воу.
Человек, летучая мышь.
Once upon a time, before I was insane, I dated this Disney guy. Joe Jonas was his name, but he broke up with me. You're just way too creepy. Plus I found someone else, his name's Mickey. So I wrote a song about his stupid ass, then found this guy named John, but that was over fast. If you don't marry me, I will pull out your teeth. You're totally crazy. No. Yes. No. Yes. Maybe. He hit me with his guitar, and he said that we are through. Just you wait until I with his guitar, and he said that we are through. Just you wait until I write a song about you. Then I met that Jake Gyllenhaal dick and was obsessed right away. You've sent me 1,000 messages. And that's just from today. Oh, that's because I'm having your baby. What? But you don't even put out. Stop questioning me, Jakey, or I'll put you 6 feet underground. Whoa! Whoa!